Windows 11 makes it incredibly easy to connect to Wi-Fi and then the internet, but it doesn't always work as planned. My name is Adullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're tackling Wi-Fi IP configuration errors that you might be seeing. So one of the first things that you can try is to change your network's SSID and password. Now, the exact steps for this will vary based on what router do you have and what security measures it's hidden behind. But you can try changing out your SSID and password, which means when your computer connects to the new network, it thinks, well, it's a new network and gets a fresh IP assigned. If that doesn't help solve the problem, you can try changing the channel width of your Wi-Fi connection. Now, you can do this by heading over to the control panel. So if I search for control panel in the start menu, go ahead and click OK. In here, we are going over to the network and sharing center. You will see your active internet connection here. Click on it. And this will open up this Wi-Fi status window right here. In here, go ahead and click on properties and then click configure. Now in this new window that appears, head over to advanced, and now as long as you're on a wireless connection, you should see these three channel width options for 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. If your wireless adapter supports connecting on 6 GHz or even 7 GHz, you will see those options as well. All you have to do is make sure that these channel widths are set to auto for each individual value. Click OK, click close, restart your router and your system, and then try connecting to the internet again. Next up, you can also try running the network and internet troubleshooter. Windows comes with a bunch of handy troubleshooters that you can use when you're in situations like this. So open up the start menu and search for troubleshoot settings. You'll see this appear right here. Go ahead and click on it. Now this will open up the troubleshoot menu for you. So go ahead and click on the other troubleshooters option, and you will see the network and internet troubleshooter right here. Go all the way to the other side and then click on the run button to start running the troubleshooter. So as you can see, this is connected. My PC is connected to the internet and the network connection quality might be low, but other than that, I have an option to run network tests from here. Now, this also gives you some options to restart your adapter and your modem or access point. So you can go ahead and follow that, and you can run the network test for it to tell you any specific problems that your network might have. Next up, you can try a few simple commands to reset your IP configuration. Now to do this, just open up the start menu once again and search for command prompt. Once there, go ahead and click on the run as administrator option. Give Windows any permissions it might need. And now once the window is open, you're going to type in the following commands one at a time. The first command is netsh winsoft reset. Go ahead and press enter. Then netsh int IP reset. Go ahead and press enter. You will have to restart your computer after this to complete these actions. Once you've restarted your computer, go ahead and then run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/flush DNS, flush out your DNS cache, and then finally ipconfig/renew. And that's that. Go ahead and restart your system and you should be good to go. If that doesn't help fix the problem either, you can go ahead and completely reset your network as well. You can do this by pressing Windows key plus I to open up Windows settings. And in here, we are going to head over to network and internet. Now in this menu, go all the way down to advanced network settings and then click on network reset. Now, do keep in mind that this will remove all network adapters, virtual network adapters, or any setting modifications that you might have made. So you are going to have to reinstall and reset up any programs like VPN clients or virtual switches that you might be using. Once you're done, once you're ready for everything, just go ahead and click on the Reset Now button, and your internet connections and network settings on your Windows PC will be reset to default, and you should be able to get past the error. You can also try resetting your network drivers or your Wi-Fi drivers. Now, the simplest method of doing this is to right-click the Start menu and then click on Device Manager. Once the Device Manager opens up, head over to Network Adapters and find your network adapter in this list. For me, it's the Intel Wi-Fi 6E adapter. So I'm going to right-click it, and then I'm just going to click on Uninstall Device. You can try updating the driver as well by clicking the Update Driver button and then searching automatically for drivers. As you can see, I have the best drivers installed. That might not be the case for you, and this might just be able to fix your problem. But if it doesn't, all you have to do is right-click, Uninstall Device. As you can see, make sure to check the box which says Attempt to remove the driver for this device, and then go ahead and click Uninstall. After this, you're going to have to restart your system, which will automatically install the stock drivers for your particular Wi-Fi adapter and should get it back up running. Finally, if nothing else works, your best option is to go ahead and do a clean boot just to see if there are any other services interfering with your network. Now, the way you do a clean boot is to first go ahead and right-click the Start menu, head over to Task Manager, expand this window a little. In here, head over to Startup Apps and make sure that every enabled app in here is disabled. Once all of these apps have been disabled, as you can see, I have a bunch of them. Once you've disabled all of these apps, you can go ahead and close the Task Manager. Now, I'm going to press Windows key plus R to open up the run prompt, and now I'm going to type in msconfig.exe, press enter, and this will open up the system configuration box. In here, head over to Services, check on Hide All Microsoft Services, which removes any essential Windows services that we need, and then click on the Disable All button. Once this is done, go ahead and click Apply and then click OK and then restart your system. What this does is that it restarts your PC without any third-party programs or bootloaders loading up as your Windows is starting. So you run Windows in its default stock state, and if there are any issues in your Wi-Fi still, it means the problem exists in either the driver or the device itself. If you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.